How can I get the version defined in Setup.Py, Setuptools, in my package? How could I get the version defined in Setup.Py from my package, for version or other purposes?
Your question is a little vague, but I think what you are asking is how to specify it. You can define __version___ like so. Or just put it into the Setup.Py like this. And then you can confirm that Setup.Py knows about the version you just specified.
The best technique is to define __version__ in your product code, then import it into Setup.Py from there. This gives you a value you can read in your running module, and have only one place to define it. The values in Setup.Py are not installed, and Setup.Py doesn't stick around after installation. What I did, for example, in coverage.py. Update 2017 coverage.py no longer imports itself to get the version. Importing your own code can make it uninstallable, because your product code will try to import dependencies which aren't installed yet, because Setup.Py is what installs them.
Interrogate version string of already installed distribution. To retrieve the version from inside your package at runtime, what your question appears to actually be asking, you can use store version string for use during install. If you want to go the other way around, which appears to be what other answer authors here appear to have thought you were asking, put the version string in a separate file and read that file's contents in Setup.Py. You could make a version.py in your package with a__version__ line, then read it from Setup.Py using exec file mypackage/version.py so that it sets __version__ in the Setup.Py namespace. Warning about race condition during install. By the way, do not import your package from your Setup.Py as suggested in another answer here. It will seem to work for you, because you already have your package's dependencies installed, but it will wreak havoc upon new users of your package, as they will not be able to install your package without manually installing the dependencies first.
I wasn't happy with these answers, didn't want to require Setuptools, nor make a whole separate module for a single variable, so I came up with these. For when you are sure the main module is in PEP8 style and will stay that way. If you'd like to be extra careful and use a real parser. Setup.Py is somewhat of a throwaway module, so not an issue if it is a bit ugly. Update, funny enough I've moved away from this in recent years and started using a separate file in the package called meta.py. I put lots of metadata in there that I might want to change frequently. So, not just for one value.